Let me briefly explain what's going on. So when you drive this vehicle, when you can feel it when you're going over potholes or little bumps, it has like this rumble effect, and it makes noise in the front. You can hear it on each side of the tire. It's like a little popping noises, and yeah, so that's what we're doing.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Alright, man. Yes, sir. Rise and grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. I'm out here again with it. This old Chevy Traverse 2010 LT. Gonna be doing the shocks on it. The front shocks. Got the whole assembly spring on it. Yes, sir. I'm gonna show you how we get that done. All right, so we got these two bolts here. It's holding the strut. We got this bolt. Take out that, and when we go up top, we got some bolts off in here. You can't really, you gotta take this off, but you can see the bolts down in there. Once you take this off, you have access. All right, that's 224 mils. And that's an 18 mil. That sway bar link out of there. All right, now we can work on the top. Normally there's some tabs in here all the way around this thing, but somebody done took them all out, so this thing can come up. Basically, you gotta remove those tabs. And this right here, this tab, we got this panel. We got these tabs. Take these out. Should be able to get this thing up out of here. Just like that, that can come up. Really, that's all I need to get up in here. Those are 15 mil. Then we can drop that guy out. All right, just like that. And come out. Make sure they matching up. Reinstall, reverse order. All right, get those in, tighten them down. All right, the best way to get this sway bar link in here, you see how it's not lining up. That's because this needs to go up so it can meet. It'll meet it, and you basically need to put a jack up under here and jack it up. Alright, got it like that. Show it going up. And you can see how it's close now. Boom. Simple as that. Tighten it down. Alright, that's it. Driver side complete. Same thing for the passenger. This side, you got this ground. You want to take that off, and then you can get the rest off. Alright, and that's the passenger side. All right, man. So if you ever see fluid, like your strut is wet up in here, and you're leaking, these shocks can leak. So man, if you're liking the content, you know what to do, man. Give the video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all the engagement. We almost at 2,000 subscribers, man. I appreciate it. And oh yeah, I forgot. I got my approval for the AdSense, and it's monetizing for YouTube. So trying to get it, y'all. I appreciate y'all helping me get there. All right, man. Pull up, King. To the next video. I'm gone.